This is Waves of Bliss and Path to Enlightenment Mystery School presents Tranquil Mind Meditation Series. This is Phase 1, Session 3, Celebrating the Mind. Hello everyone, this is Jim and welcome to Tranquil Mind Meditation Series, Phase 1, Session 3, the final session of this series, entitled Celebrating the Mind. Take a deep breath. Make yourselves comfortable. Sit on the floor with legs crossed if possible. If you sit on a chair, sit with your feet flat on the floor with your shoes off. The reason we ask that you take your shoes off is that it gives you that much more connection to Mother Earth, and if you want to experiment and leave them on and see how it feels and then take them off and see how it feels, you can see what the difference is. It will surprise you. Sit with your back straight, not strained but straight, and you may lay down if you prefer. Now focus on your breath as you are taking long, gentle, deep breaths through your nose, bringing the air deep down as if it can reach the base of your spine, oxygenating every part of your body and pulling all the toxins and all the pollution and all the dross out as you exhale through your nose. Take a couple of breaths in and out. Just gentle breathing begins to calm you and allows you to settle within yourself. Now as you are slowly breathing in and out, focus your attention on your heart. Listen to the rhythm and the pulse of your heart resonate with the sound of I am. I am. I am. Feel the presence of the witness standing right behind you, watching over you, reminding you that you are not only the drop, but you are also the ocean. And the ocean says, I am through you as you. I am. I am. I am. Now visualize that there is a round pillar of bright white light that is descending from the heavens above you. It descends and surrounds you. It's about 10 feet in diameter. And you're standing in the center of this pillar of bright white light. And see that white light is pouring down in a continuous stream through this pillar. White light's pouring around you, and it is also pouring on you. It's pouring into your crown at the top of your head, like liquid light coming through the crown and the top of your head, filling your head until it spills down through your neck, filling your neck, down into your shoulders and your arms, your torso, every part of your body, every iota of your beingness, every cell, every tissue is filled with this bright white light, pouring down your hips and legs, your calves, and to your feet and out the bottoms of your feet. And as you look down at your body, you see that you're lit up like a light bulb. A continuous stream of white light is pouring into your head, filling your body and washing away all the dross and pollution in your body, washing it out through the bottoms of your feet into Mother Earth. And the light is pulsing with the beat of your heart, with the beat of the I am, I am, I am. The light pours down, completely saturating your body in light. This light can help you remove negativity and lower thought forms from your mind. This light can help you to stabilize your emotions in times of duress. See the light washing through you, raising your vibration and removing from your being all that cannot sustain this level of light. And as you see the light pouring out the bottoms of your feet, it may look a little darker and a little dimmer, as it brings all the pollution and dross out with it to be transmuted by Mother Earth. As the light is pouring down, as you're standing in the center of this pillar of light, be aware of your breath. And the beat of your heart. Now I ask you, as you stand in this pillar, to become aware of your thoughts. What are you thinking right now? What are you thinking this very moment? Your mind is bringing thoughts to you, probably fast and furious. I ask you to interrupt your mind for a second and to tell it what a great job it's doing. And tell it what a great job it has always done. Connect with your mind and thank it for all that it does. And tell it what a great job it has done for you in this lifetime. For those of us in the West, we doers, we rely almost completely on the mind to navigate us through life. Our minds have been trained by life to be as sharp and as knowledgeable as possible, and to control every situation of our lives for our benefit. In fact, we have become so reliant on our minds that we have acquired a certain involuntary mental momentum that takes us through each day. When we wake up in the morning, our minds have already begun organizing the day, and we often move through the day on automatic pilot, with our minds as the pilot. So I want you to thank your mind for all that it does for you, and all that it has done for eons of time. As we stand in the pillar, breathing slowly in and out, up to now, your mind has probably felt a huge responsibility on its shoulders, since it has done everything alone without any help. In fact, it has probably seen no evidence that there is any hope on the horizon of help coming to assist in keeping you safe, fed, housed, or in providing for you your wishes and your wants. This has fallen on the mind to figure out and on the mind to carry out. Is it any wonder the mind on your behalf has taken control and is reluctant to give it up? Your mind probably feels, and rightly so, that when it doesn't stay in control, bad things happen to you. This is the main reason why it is very hard for Westerners, particularly Americans, to meditate. You have to quiet the mind to connect with the witness and bring the doing into being. In many cases, the mere idea of meditating often throws the mind into a frenzy. Your mind says to you, I don't have time for this. What about this task? What about that? If we don't make that call now, it's going to be a problem. Wasting 20 minutes sitting here is just going to make getting it all done that much harder for me. We need to celebrate the mind. We need to acknowledge that we know what it goes through day after day on our behalf without complaining, just taking care of business. We need to celebrate the mind, we need to thank and bless the mind, and we need to tell the mind that you have a gift. Tell your mind you are bringing a gift, the gift of help. You are going to introduce the mind to the witness, and through the witness to the awareness of the ocean, to the awareness of the cosmic consciousness. To the knowing that the mind is not alone, and there is help available and ready to assist the mind in living life safely, securely, and contented. Help that can take the burden that exists in doing and dissolve it into being. So ask the mind for a few minutes, just 20 minutes, to step aside and let you have the chance to connect with the help that is waiting to come to the rescue. And make sure you assure the mind that after the 20 minutes is over, you will give your full attention back to the mind. To a mind that now has had a chance to experience with you, the witness, the ocean of cosmic consciousness, and is already figuring out ways to bring this help further into your reality. A happier, stronger, and calmer mind that feels supported and protected. Become aware you're still standing in a pillar of white light. The light is pouring through the top of your head as the light pours out the bottoms of your feet, filling every iota of your body with white light, raising your vibration, removing the dross, all that no longer serves you, out the bottoms of your feet. Your heart is pulsing. I am. I am. The witness is standing right behind you. And your mind is present. connecting with the witness and connecting to the pulse of your heart. I am. I am. I am. Spend a few moments, or as long as you wish, to commune with your mind. Listen to what your mind has to say to you. Listen to what your mind has to say to you about meditating, about life in general, what it's happy with, what it's unhappy with. Whatever the mind wants to say to you. Be a good listener and see if you can make a deal to take a few minutes out of every day to meditate. A deal that will allow you to help your mind and your entire being connect to the vast ocean that you truly are, bringing you the help and sustenance your mind deserves. Become aware of your breath, gently moving in and out, in the presence of the witness, in the presence of the mind, in the presence of the ocean of the cosmic consciousness, saying, through you, I am, I am, I am. This is the end of this session of Phase 1. I thank you for your presence. This is Jim, and I wish you a good night.